So guys, this was our second property we saw today. And I know the first one was a bit more a conventional house, beautiful, ready to go. And then I brought you here. And then what happened? Tell me.
The magic happened, the potential happened, the ideas happened, the potential community came to life.
This is, I felt it when we met. And after visiting the first property, I knew that I had to bring you here because like we had a connection and we felt that this was wrong. It was the wrong place. Although it was beautiful, it was not your place.
Not for us.
And then we came here and then this happened.
This is where your mind and your heart and your life can expand.
So what are your goals? What do you want to accomplish here?
Well, we want to build a community of earth stewards who care for the environment, who live in harmony with nature, who understand how to care for the land, who utilize the land. We want to grow food for our families. We want to grow food for our communities. My children want to swing from the trees. You know, we want to be able to raise free-range chicken and children.
Oh, wow. The best acknowledgement of this being the right property was your biggest son.
Oh.
He was like, he wanted to climb in the trees, and this is where I want to be. And this is when you know you're in the right place, right?
Well, especially because he hasn't had very many good things to say about very many places that we've been, because he's away from home, right? So when he saw here, he recognized that this is the environment that he's used to.
That's wonderful.
He's used to being in nature. He's used to seeing trees and seeing what we can put our hands in and what we can accomplish with that.
Yeah, although we had a little bit of a rain and dirt on our shoes, this is the place where you wanna be for as long as you want to, right?
We dig in the dirt on the daily.
I have one last question for you. Can you keep a little spot for me? I want to be here too.
Of course.
So I think we're good to go. This is the place where you want to grow old, right?
We want to grow more than just old.
Wonderful. So I think we got to get this
Locked up.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Cheers.
wonderful. Salud.
Salud.
Now the Spanish, right? Got to work on the Spanish.
Got to work on the Spanish.
Okay. Salud.